Welcome back to your Visa Guide Pakistan, where we bring you the latest updates on international visa procedures for Pakistani travelers. Today's important update comes directly from the Chinese embassy in Pakistan, and if you're planning to apply for a Chinese visa soon, this episode is a must-listen. China Visa Center announcement: big change starting June 30th, 2025. The Chinese embassy has announced the official launch of the China Online Visa Processing System, which goes live on June 30th, 2025. What does this mean for you? Starting June 30th, applicants can fill out their visa forms online and upload required documents directly by visiting https://bio.visaforchina.cn. No more manual paperwork or waiting in long queues just to start your application. But here's a very important deadline alert. If you've already filled out your visa application using the old system, then you must visit the Chinese Visa Application Service Center, CVASC, in person and submit your documents by June 26th. After June 26th, the old system's application forms will no longer be accepted. So again, if you're mid-process or recently completed a form using the older website, make sure to finish your submission in person before June 26th. To read the full notice and get more details, visit the official website at https://bio.visaforchina.cn. That's it for today's update. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends or colleagues who are applying for a China visa. This is your Visa Guide Pakistan, helping you travel smarter. See you in the next episode.